Hello everyone, it's Mr. Cube Collector. Today guys, we're going to unbox the fastest Rubik's Cube in the world at the moment, which is Gun 13 Maglev. So yeah, let's unbox. Really excited. I'm waiting for that cube really long time. Okay. I don't even know how to unbox. Here we go. We got over here two very fancy box. Whoa. Whoa, I really like it. Okay, so its cube must be over here. There you are. So we got cube over here, but let's see what we got in that black mystery box. Just one sec. Yeah, I don't know how to open too. Okay, I got it. Okay, so we got some fancy bag, of course from Gun. And yeah, some tutorials probably, never mind. But the most important thing is that cube. So yeah. Also we got some Gun card. Alright. Okay. So let's scramble. Wow, it's working really good. Okay, let me try to focus. I'm not a speed cuber, so I don't solving that fast, but okay, let me try. It's really working good. It's really good for proper speed cuber. Not like me, but okay, I try my best. Wow, really excited. I think that is the best cube I have at the moment. Yeah, it's a really good cube. I really enjoy. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and see you in the next unboxing video. Bye bye.